Hi there, students. Touchdown, touchdown. Okay, to touch down as a phrasal verb, 2 words, touchdown. A touchdown as a noun, or even touchdown as an exclamation. Okay, let's see. To touch down means to land an aircraft or to land a spacecraft. So, what time does your plane touch down? Yeah, the plane touched down at Gatwick Airport at 8 a.m. Okay, notice touchdown, intransitive. Touchdown at an airport or touchdown in an airport. Here the airport is the indirect object. The spacecraft touched down on the moon. Okay, and that's the idea of to touchdown. Now, a touchdown. For me, I'm British, so for me, the first meaning of a touchdown is when you score at rugby, when you score a try, when you take the ball over your opposition's line and put it on and touch it to the ground. That's a touchdown. But the Americans also use this for American football, to score a touchdown, to take the ball into your opposition's end, yeah, into their end zone. Okay, so to score a touchdown. And then finally, I think you can use this as an exclamation when somebody does something that's exactly right or somebody's successful. Touchdown, I got the job. Yeah, touchdown, I passed my exams. Yeah, it's like an exclamation that you've scored effectively. You've done it right. Yeah. So, touchdown, to touchdown, as a phrasal verb to land an aircraft or to land a spacecraft. The plane will touch down tomorrow afternoon. Yeah? And the spacecraft is coming down towards Mars, and it's 100 meters, 50 meters, 10, 5, 1, touchdown. Yeah? So they touched down on the moon. Okay? Let's see, notice. As a phrasal verb, touchdown, 2 words. But a touchdown, either most normally 1 word, but you could use it hyphenated as well, but that's very common. The phrasal verbs, two words, whereas adjectives or nouns, either 1 or hyphenated. Okay, so a touchdown. Yeah, scoring at rugby or at American football, or the moment of landing. So the touchdown was very difficult as there was a lot of wind. The pilot had great problems making the touchdown. Okay, let's see, formality. To touch down. The plane touched down at 4 o'clock. I'm going to give that 4 in formality. Use it in a semi-formal, an informal conversation, a semi-formal conversation. I think semi-formal writing, just about. And then a touchdown, or in American football or in rugby, 5 in formality, use it anywhere. And then I think of this exclamation, touchdown, I won the prize. I think this is probably rather informal. I'd probably give it 3, and I would only probably use that in an informal conversation. And then the origin, well, clearly to touch down. Well, that's the idea. So, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Touchdown. Touchdown.